Good morning, my dear student. I'm so glad you're here with me today. Welcome to the English space. Your space, your journey, your voice. Today, I want to do something special with you. We're going to live a full day together, from morning to night, and you'll shadow me. You'll repeat after me, slowly, clearly, naturally. Like we're having coffee together. Are you ready? Take a deep breath with me. Inhale. Exhale. Let's begin. I open my eyes. The sun is shining through the curtains. It feels warm, soft, gentle. I stretch my arms. I yawn. I smile. A new day has started. I whisper to myself, thank you for today. Can you repeat that? Thank you for today. I sit up in bed. I look at my phone. No messages. Just peace. I take a moment to think about my day. I don't rush. You don't have to rush either. Let's go slow. I get out of bed. My feet touch the floor. It's cold, but it wakes me up. I walk to the bathroom. I wash my face. The water is cool. It feels refreshing. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror, and I say, you're doing your best. Say it with me. You're doing your best. Now I go to the kitchen. I turn on the kettle. Time for tea. Or maybe coffee. What do you drink in the morning? I love green tea. It makes me feel calm. I sit down at the table. I sip my tea slowly. I look out the window. The world is waking up. Birds are singing. Cars are passing by. People are moving. But here, with you, it's quiet. It's peaceful. It's our space. Let's practice some morning expressions. Repeat after me. Good morning. How did you sleep? I slept well. Thank you. I feel rested. What's your plan today? I have a lot to do, but I'll take it one step at a time. One step at a time. Now it's time to get dressed. I open my closet. What should I wear? Something simple. Something comfortable. I choose a light shirt and jeans. I look in the mirror again. You look good. I tell myself. Say it too. You look good. I pack my bag. I check my keys. Phone. Wallet. I'm ready to go. I step outside. The air is fresh. It smells like a new beginning. I smile at my neighbor. Good morning, I say. She smiles back. Good morning. A simple greeting. But it feels warm. It feels human. Let's shadow together. Repeat each line with me. Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing great. Thank you. It's a beautiful day. I hope you have a good day too. Take care. Now I walk down the street. I see a bakery. The smell of fresh bread is everywhere. It reminds me of home. I stop and buy a croissant. The woman at the counter says, that will be $2. I give her the money. She says, thank you, have a nice day. I reply, you too. Let's practice that. That will be $2. Here you go. Thank you. You too. I find a small park. I sit on a bench. I eat my croissant. I watch people pass by. Some are jogging. Some are walking dogs. Some are talking on the phone. Everyone is busy. But I feel calm. Because I'm here with you. And we're learning. Together. Let's take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale. Let's do some shadowing practice for real-life conversation. Ready? Excuse me, is this seat taken? No, go ahead. Thank you. Do you come here often? Sometimes. I like the quiet. Me too. It's peaceful here. Time passes. Now it's afternoon. I go to a small library. It's quiet inside. The smell of books makes me smile. I find a seat near the window. I open a book. I read a few pages. But then I close my eyes and I just listen to the silence. Sometimes silence teaches us more than words. Isn't that true? Now, let's shadow again. Can I help you find a book? Yes, please. I'm looking for something easy to read in English. Sure. Try this one. Thank you. You're welcome. Enjoy. It's getting late. I walk back home. The sky turns orange. The wind is soft. The street lights are turning on. People are finishing work. I walk slowly. No rush. Today was a good day because I spent it with you. Now I'm home. I take off my shoes. I sit on the couch. I'm tired but happy. I smile. I whisper, "Thank you for today." Let's practice some evening English. I'm home. What a long day. I'm so tired. Time to relax. Let's make something for dinner. I think I'll have some rice and vegetables. Simple and healthy. What do you like to eat at night? Now I make dinner. I boil some rice. I cut vegetables. I cook slowly. With love. The smell fills the kitchen. I feel at peace. Let's shadow a dinner conversation. Do you want something to drink? Yes, just water, please. Dinner is ready. Wow, it smells good. I hope you like it. I'm sure I will. Thank you. After dinner, I wash the dishes. 1 plate, 1 spoon, 1 cup. I clean slowly. It feels like meditation. Then I go to my room. I sit down and I open my journal. I write. Today was simple but beautiful. Let's shadow this together. How was your day? It was good. I enjoyed it. Did you do anything special? Yes, I spent time learning English. That sounds wonderful. It really was. Now it's bedtime. I change into my pajamas. I brush my teeth. I get under the blanket. It's warm. It's quiet. I turn off the lights. And I close my eyes. But before I sleep, I think of you. Yes, you. Learning. Growing. Trying. You're not alone. I'm proud of you. So proud. Let's repeat this together. I'm doing my best. I am learning. I will keep going. I believe in myself. Thank you for spending this day with me. Thank you for trusting me. I'll see you again tomorrow. Until then, take care of your mind. Take care of your heart. And never forget, you're stronger than you think. You're doing amazing. Good night, my dear student. Good night from the English Space.